Hi students, welcome to Darshana YouTube channel. So from this channel, you can get more information and this type of challenging question every day so that you can subscribe before I'm starting the class I'm saying so that we can go for the question. So say it's a question, identify the product in the sequence, reaction sequence. So here we are using 3 chapters together in this question. You can see that here is we are starting from nitro compound. So first reagent, subbromination, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. You already know that all aromatic compounds. So the characteristics reactions of aromatic compounds are electrophilic substitution reaction. The electrophilic substitution reaction is depend upon the stability of carbocation. So that you know that in case of aromatic ring there will be ortho position, meta position and para position. There will be ortho substituted and para substituted. That means depends upon the substituents present on the benzene ring. If the substituent present on the benzene rings are -R or -I group or electron withdrawing group, we are saying that they are meta-directing group so that the incoming substituents will attach to the meta position. If the positions having +I and +R, if they are ortho-para-directing, so the substituents will attack at the where? The ortho-para position. The para product is major or predominant along with the ortho product. So first we can see that what is A for this question? A for this question. So this one is bromination, electrophilic substitution reaction. So what is happening here? What is happening here? Nitro compound undergo bromination. So what about the nitro compound? NO2 group. The nitro group is what? Meta-directing group. Meta-directing. So that it will attack the meta position. So the A will be like this. Then the meta position, the bromine will attack. So NO2 will be there, but here the meta position, bromine will attack the meta position. Clear? So so what about the B here? What about the B here? Then after this here, reduction using iron and HCl. So during the reduction, the compound B is forming so that what is happening here? The nitro compound will be reduced. You know that nitro compounds are reduced to what? Primary amine. So the product is primary amine. So there is no change in the position of bromine here. So that is B. Any doubt? I will give, last I will give all the information collectively. Okay, so then the B is forming. This B undergo the reaction with NaNO2 and HCl. That means diazotization. That means with the nitrous acid. So what will be the product? We know that the primary aromatic amine react with the nitrous acid to form diazonium chloride, whereas primary aliphatic amine other than or except methylamine, we are getting an alcohol. So this part will become diazonium part. So diazonium chloride will be the product. So C will be the diazonium chloride, that is N2Cl, then bromine will be there. There is no change in the position of the bromine. Then what about the C? After the reaction with the copper powder and HCl, the copper powder and HCl, that reaction we are called it as Gattermann reaction. In Gattermann reaction, Sandmeyer's reaction, we are using copper halide and hydrogen halide. But here is copper powder and HCl, so it will become chloro. Is it? So the D is, this compound is D. So bromine will be there, nothing happening for the bromine. Then here the next is for magnesium and ether. So here is aryl halide. Aryl halide and alkyl halide, you know that react with the magnesium in presence of ether, the formation of what? Grignard reagent. So this will become Grignard reagent. So that E is the product like this. So here is chlorine, EC living group is bromine. So instead of this, here we are getting what? The product is like this. Chlorine, then MgBr will be there. Grignard reagent. Then we are going to the last part of the question. The Grignard reagent react with an ketone or an aldehyde. That is the formation of alcohol. We know that Grignard reagent react with aldehydes and ketone to form alcohol. Whereas formaldehyde will give primary alcohol. Other aldehydes, that means except formaldehyde, the product is secondary alcohol. Whereas ketone will give tertiary alcohol. So acetophenone is a ketone. So that this will give an alcohol. So we can go directly to the detailed form of this question. See, this is happening for the nitro compound. I said nitro compound. So this will bromination, then reduction, then after this diazonium chloride, then to the copper powder. What is the product is this one chloro, the product is like this, the chloro, then with the Grignard reagent, with the magnesium Grignard reagent, this undergo it's a ketone. So the formation of what? The bond will break. One side the MgBr will attach, the other side the phenyl group will attach, so that the tertiary alcohol will form. So that directly this will hydrolyze to give an alcohol. So that what will be the option for that one? The first option is the right option. So we can see the question and answer here. So the right option, that is one is A, is the right option. Clear? So many concepts we are listen in this question. So this type of questions we can expect in our examination. So for more questions and more challenging questions, you can subscribe our channel.